Right, so down on the farm again today, and we have a mission. What we're going to try and do is turn these old IBCs into grain silos, because the birds will be moving on to wheat in the next week, and we're sick to death of the rats eating through the sacks and taking all the wheat out. So we managed to get some little silo gates online, and we're going to try and see if we can turn one of these, or two of these hopefully, into grain silos. Get hold of these gates. I think they're for trailers. They're about $17.50 each. And we're going to cut in the bottom of here, bolt them through, silicone them on so they don't leak, and then ideally we'll have nice dry grain stores. Well, that's the theory. Now we're going to try our best to measure twice and cut once, because we have got a couple of spare IBCs, but not many. So anyway, follow us through, see how we get on. Alright, so we're just taking those two bars out. Just cut that bit out there, and then we can get in, run the bolts up here, get it siliconed, and see how it goes. So what we're going to do is down here, once we've got it in, we'll cut a little groove or a curve, just so it'll funnel it in. We should get an even flow of grain. Should do. Smells good. So this is where we've got to. So I've made the beginnings of a grain chute. There's the gate in. We're going to put some foam in there just to seal it all. And just a little rain shield. Just stop the water running down in behind the back of here. And we'll just put a bit of foam in the back of that. 1,000,001 things to fix with expanding foam. So we'll see how that goes. Might need to brace the end of this, but not bad for a half-assed job.
It's a thing.
Yeah, we've done a thing. Right. Grain silo version 1 in place. So up there and full of grain. We've had a go at it with some expanding foam, which we're going to try and carve off and see if the door opens and whether the chute works. We'll get back to you. All right. Go on then. Pull the trapdoor. Let's see if it see if it works.
I think it might be a bit glued up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is there a screwdriver?
Tap up with the hammer. That's not terrible. Have we done a thing?
Nearly. It might need a bit of jiggling. I mean, we haven't closed it yet.
No. Probably needs to be deeper, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Or even if it was steeper,
More
it
of
would
an
run
angle.
off.
Yeah. That's what I wanted to know. Yeah, that's good.
Hey, we've done a thing.